Adversarial system suggests you hear one side, you hear the other side, decide.
मैं भी यही मांग रहा हूँ।
चलो आप अपना फॉर्मुलेशन खत्म करें, फिर हमारे सवाल है उनका जवाब दे दीजिए।
मगर ये साहिबजादा साहब के लिए तो आपने कहा है कि उन्होंने कोई दिया ही नहीं ना सर्टिफिकेट, तो फिर इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे या नहीं होंगे? उनके डिक्लेरेशन में लिखा हुआ है वो तो नजरियाती का, तो नजरियाती भी आपको दिया था उन्होंने, अटैच तो नहीं है नजरियाती उसके साथ।
आई एम सॉरी जी, मैं आप
तो वो जवाब इसका यही बनता है ना। फिलहाल
नॉमिनेशन पेपर में
इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर किया है नहीं किया, वो तो खुद लिखा है इसके अंदर कि नजरियाती का सर्टिफिकेट अटैच कर रहा हूँ। आपने कहा नहीं था कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट उनके साथ।
सर उन्होंने देखें पहले उन्होंने कहा
का सर्टिफिकेट है
अलायंस, व्हिच वी डोंट नो व्हाट दैट इज, देयर इज नो सच थिंग।
पीटीआई के बाद जो डिक्लेरेशन है उसमें नजरियाती लिखा हुआ है ना, पीटीआई।
देन हिज ticket is of PTI, and then that statement on oath which says section 66 says N, but there is no N ticket.
नहीं है ना, तो नहीं है, यही बात है ना इस वक्त। तो इस वक्त तो वो इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे ही नहीं होंगे। It depends upon the party affiliation ticket, whether he provided such ticket or not.
To support his declaration. नहीं
दूसरा इसमें क्लियर कीजिएगा कि इस वक्त we have asked so many questions to you कि ये persons they were contesting the elections on PTI ticket and they never withdrawn their affiliation, but at the moment they all joined SIC। तो अगर वो PTI के थे तो फिर वो SIC ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते थे।
यही तो मैंने इन माय सर्मन
अगर तो
कॉमर्स यही तो मैं पॉइंट कह रहा था कि you have to take your PTI jacket off.
Please listen, if we consider them the PTI candidate who contested the elections on PTI affiliation ticket, then how they joined SIC?
That's my submission.
No, but at present they are the candidate of SIC.
That is my submission. That is my submission.
So we cannot revert back to that position. If they are PTI, then obviously
they cannot join SIC. मेरी position for whatever it's worth, you encapsulate.
No, there is requires clarification. That is why I'm asking to you. Then on the
that is my position.
Assist on this also.
My lord, with the question that he's asking, there's one detail that's missing. You declared them as independent. They never took off the jacket of PTI and wore the jacket of SIC. In between comes you. You say you're independent.
I'll answer.
Faced with that situation,
I'll answer.
3 days notice,
despite that,
jacketless.
Yes, sir. वो मंसूर साहब की बात मैं इसको despite that, if they contested the election on PTI ticket, then what was the occasion to join SIC? Why they don't fight for their own rights?
सर मैं भी यही कह रहा हूँ।
देखिए अब आप
my lord, my last formulation, and then I'll just come to
many things are self-evident. Many things are self-evident.
Yes, sir.
It's not what you say or I say or third person says. We see a document, it speaks for itself. The one that's before me, like I continue to go back to the same thing. It's a contradictory document as I see it. Now,
I can't deny
whether a person should file a contradictory document, whether the job of the Election Commission is to resolve the contradiction, I don't know. But let's stick on the documents themselves. And where is the declaration I'm talking about? I mean, person says, here's my, on oath I say I belong to Nazariati, and attaches a certificate of somebody else.
Yes.
So I don't know how you cannot call that a contradiction. It is a contradiction,
I call it a contradiction.
Factual contradiction.
Yes.
Now the question is, how should you attend to it? That's another matter. But one should not go beyond the document itself. So it says for what it is, whatever you want to make of it, make of it.
I bow to my lords.
No, I'm just saying that now you give me your submission. वो तो हम डॉक्यूमेंट देख लेंगे, वो हमारे सामने कोई मसला नहीं है। इसमें आप चाहे अगर आप इसको कहें नहीं ये नजरियाती का नहीं है, ये उसका है, फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि डॉक्यूमेंट होता है ना। अब क्या हम करें उसको?
My lord, can I leave it as having brought all of this to my lords, this august bench's notice?
समझ लेंगे,
I have taken my lords through my understanding of it.
बात आपकी
and yes, I think I haven't been able to satisfy my lords on every single. But that is, I don't.